This is a job I've been putting off for too long. Floor. Need to get down some tiles or something here. Bare concrete's now in my head. There's only a little shed. We have the washing machine and dryer. Not great for when clothes are sitting on it. Plus, I need to give the place a good red out. Before we tile it, I'm going to have to level it. It's fairly rough. So, get leveler down first. Before I can do that, I'm going to red the place out. So we'll make a start. Starting to get there. A wee bit red out. Now, one of the main reasons I'm actually doing this as well, this washing machine is now done. I need to order a new one. As well, get the floor done before it comes. Come with me. Oh, there's a problem. No wonder it's getting very humid in here. Pipe's actually bust. Good job we found that. Lovely. Now we're getting there. Sort of red out. Now just to clean the floor. Get the old iron hull hoover going. About 3 inches. Oh, this is not the day for this sort of work. This is just a temporary job. I'm putting on self-leveler, and I don't want it spilling. So this will be coming off again. Now, self-leveling compound. First top tip when using this stuff, buy extra. An extra mil down on the floor could equate to at least an extra bag or two. So if there's one high or low spot and you need to put down extra, you're only getting one pour. Make sure you have spares. Buy more. If you don't need it, you can return it. Want her nice and smooth. Get it moving around. Now, get her roughly where you want, and let it do the rest. Now, one thing you want to remember when you're putting down self-leveler is to work away, is to work back towards the door, taking your tools as you go, because you have to wash them afterwards. You don't want to leave the bucket in there where you can't reach it, and your keys and your phone cover. Don't go on the floor. Yep, she's getting there. That's her well set. Sitting in the rain here now. That's the leveler down. I need to get some tiles and tile it. Just going to use cheap ones. Any old brown or dark tiles will do the job. It's only a shed. Yeah, easily done. I think we're good to start. Slowly but surely, we're slowly getting there. Just ain't the best of nights to be at this crack. Everything's soaked now. Finally, that's her finished. Let that set. We'll get her grouted tomorrow. Hopefully then by Friday we'll have a new machine, new wash machine to stick on. Then we'll get a cabinet made then, the two machines. Some sort of shelving unit. Oh well, it's getting late here, lads. That's another job done. There's the tiling done anyway. All grouted up. Machine's back in again. Keep using this wash machine for another few days till the new one arrives. We all like a wee unboxing video. And nice new machines, even if it is a washing machine. So what brand did we go for? Samsung. Went with the full on 11 kg. A wife of two wee boys in the house. Need a big machine. Let's see what's in her. A couple of bits and bobs. All the normal bits. That's for the detergent drawer, spanner, caps for where you take out the bolts. 4 bolts must need to come out. Don't know. That's for the U-bend and your cold water feed. What have we around the back? Your outlet for your waste. Plugs nicely tucked away. There we go. And then we get the Ticky's bolts out. 4 of them all together. These are what hold the drum in place. Just keep it steady. the one that's been transported, and just throw them away once they come out. Leave them on. What they're doing, big screw is actually screwing into the plastic drum on the inside, actual drum that holds all the water and your spinners inside of it. That's been suspended on springs and held up on dampers, so it actually moves around inside. That's just to hold it steady as it's been transported. Completely useless now when you're installing them. And these just cover the holes, just so that nobody sticks their fingies on. And this wee Y fitting is for your waist. Just clicks on there and there, just will hook onto your waste pipe. And this wee doodah is actually just for your socket hole. Right, just need to get it done. Crawl under, stick that in there. This can go up here, and this is the cold water feed in. Which also goes on to here. Now you have to slide her in. And that's her in. She's actually pretty level. So we also need to calibrate this for weight, so it knows what an empty load is, so it can work out all it needs to work out when you put stuff on it. We switch her on. Oh, very nice. Switch it off, power it on, and hold these two buttons. The calibration. Hit start. Now that'll run, spin for about 3 minutes. It'll be calibrated and we're good to go. Listen to that. Can't even friggin' hear it. Oh, we're living in luxury now, boys, compared to the last one. The last one you could actually hear from next door. So the neighbours will be thankful for this. Oh, it's a sad life sitting watching a washing machine, boys. There we go. That must be her ready to go. Up at 0. Have to work out what all these things mean. Till it gets mix load. No, not a quick, no eco. Synthetics. That sounds good. 30. Oh look, you can pick how many runces. Fast spin. Yeah, we'll stick on the eco bubble. Try that. Squirty squirt. And off we go.